Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a Kirkland diaper box that I have here, and I'm going to go ahead and add this pattern to the background. I'm going to be handing out candy this year, and I'm going to be putting the candy in here. So I would like to use this as a background and put a trick or treat on the front. I went ahead and cut some construction paper into some small squares to go ahead and make a pattern here. I'm going to use some Elmer's glue to glue this on the box, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so I went ahead and covered all sides with the checkered print, and I think I did pretty good. Okay, and on the inside all I did was just fold it on the inside and glue it on the inside with the Elmer's glue stick. Now I'm going to go ahead and figure out what I'm going to put using my trick-or-treat sign. Okay, so I went ahead and just created this. I have the Photor account, which is F-O-T-O-R. You can create really cool little things like this. I have these stickers, and they are foam eyeball Halloween stickers. And you just peel off the back. And I kind of wanted to add him to this just to kind of make it pop just a little bit more. And I'm going to go ahead and just glue this on. There you have it. Real simple, real easy Halloween box that I'm going to be using to hand out candy this year. There you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like the video, subscribe for more videos, and see you guys next time.